A number of Dengvaxia complaints have yet to come forward. Now, the Public Attorney's Office is proposing a way to speed things up. Marlene Alcaide has the story.
The Public Attorney's Office has asked the Supreme Court to designate a special court that will try cases involving deaths believed to be caused by Dengvaxia. This is while criminal and civil suits regarding the controversial anti-dengue vaccine are still pending in courts and the Department of Justice.
Ang hiling ko sa Supreme Court, sumulat na kami, magkaroon ng designated Dengvaxia Criminal Court. Magkaroon ng designated Dengvaxia Civil Court. Ay nandun pa sa Supreme Court, wala pang aksyon. Pero matagal ko na pinadala yung mga 5 months ago. At sana kung ma-monitor ng Supreme Court, aksyon na yung aming sulat para yung civil cases sa Quezon City, umusad na. Kasi pa-retire na yung unang narapulan para mabilis. Diba? Kailangan bilisan.
PAO autopsied 92 bodies believed to have died after receiving the controversial vaccine. PAO's forensic team claimed there was a common pattern in their deaths that may be linked to Dengvaxia. But the camp of former Health Secretary Janet Garin belied this and asked the DOJ panel to look into an affidavit from an expert pathologist saying it will dispel misleading medical conclusions about Dengvaxia. The PAO chief, however, disagrees.
Wala siyang personal knowledge sa cadavers. Hindi siya nag-autopsy nitong mga patay, no? Bigla siyang susulpot. Kokontrahin niya yung Sanofi Declaration of Risk, Adverse Events, yung mangyayari. Ano siya dun? Pagka walang personal knowledge ang isang doktor, ba't ka nagbibigay ng opinion mo? Anong basis mo? Wala kang clinical chart nung biktima. Anong pinagbigay mong opinion?
Acosta adds Dengvaxia's manufacturer, Sanofi Pasteur, had already admitted back in 2015 that Dengvaxia carries risks. Garin, DOH officials, and Sanofi Pasteurs are all facing criminal charges over the issue. Some officials have already insisted that PAO's findings are inconclusive. The Department of Justice is expected to wrap up its preliminary investigation into the criminal charges on October 30. Marlene Alcaide, We Are One News.